A little video of the new Morris County Dog Park here. You can see Scarps and Rags. I predict a simultaneous poop in 3, 2, maybe not. Probably just found a dead deer carcass. But here we are at this new Morris County Dog Park over here by Greystone. So Scraps has a poop right there, as you can see. And we have bags to clean it up. Don't want to contaminate this dog park. So that's Scraps' post-dinner poop at the dog park. We came here yesterday for a softer opening without Kathy. I didn't get any videos, and they both did simultaneous poops, so that's what I was expecting it. So as you can see, I'm going to bend down here. There are the dogs, and that's the far end of the dog park. Right there, we got this. We got poop by Rags over there. As you can see. So, okay, we now have the poops fulfilled, and we can relax about the poopage. And so you can see, here's this sort of like, I don't know, sort of fencing you have. Almost like a wide chicken wire. Along the gated area, we have some real chain link fencing. Over here, we have a little dog area for, I guess, timeouts and stuff. Rags looks like she wants to play timeout often and is going to need it. And over here, past the fencing, we have the more expansive, larger dog park itself that goes over that hill and that horizon. And so right now, we are in the small one here. And it goes nicely up this hill. The grass is short, managed. It's actually a really nice place in here. It's sloping, so you should have no problem with drainage whatsoever. There's Kathy over there, there's Scraps over there. Rags is right below me. That's what we got here in the small dog park area. We are watching both dogs run after a tennis ball. It looks like Rags got it. Here we are in the big dog park. It's large, expansive, plenty of room for little doggies like ours. There's plenty of room for horses, if you had to. So walking around, you can see it goes along Old Dover Road, or is it Dover Road? Old Dover Road. So this whole like grassy knoll goes beyond and above it. Come on, guys. So you can see there's a lot of wooded area with fencing behind it, that same chicken wire fencing. And then you have this nice big rolling hill that makes up the dog park. Last time we were here, we found a dead deer carcass. Hopefully someone took care of that.